Question number 1. Let a and b two positive integers such that a is equal to p cube q raised to 4 and b is equal to p square q cube. Where p and q are prime numbers, if HCF of AB is equal to p raised to m, q raised to n, and LCM of AB is equal to p raised to r, q raised to s, then what is m plus n into r plus s? So, what it is given is A is equal to P cube Q raised to 4 and B is equal to P square Q cube, where P and Q are prime numbers. Is already given. Then HCF also given and LCM is also given. So, let's do the problem. Let's write the solution. Okay. First one, given A and B be two positive integers. What is A here? A is equal to P cube Q raised to 4 and B is equal to P square Q cube. And where P and Q are prime numbers. Okay. Then HCF also given. HCF of AB is equal to P cube Q raised to 4 and LCM of AB is also given, which is equal to P square Q cube. So HCF of AB is equal to, we can write, instead of these we can write P raised to M, Q raised to N we can write. And LCM of AB is equal to P raised to R, Q raised to R. Instead of this we can write like this. Q raised to S, P raised to R into Q raised to S. Then M plus N. M plus N means 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? We can write it is 7. What is R plus S? R plus S is equal to 5. Here it is 5. So 7 into 5 is equal to 35 we get. Okay. So answer is, answer is C, option C, 35. Okay. Let P be a prime number. The quadratic equation having its roots and factors. P is what? We have to find it. So, it is given that P is a prime number. P is prime number means what? P has only two factors. What are the factors? Only 1 and P. So, we have to find the quadratic equation. So, having its roots as factors of P. Roots are factors of P. Okay. Let's do the problem. So, the answer is B. Let's do the problem. How we get this answer? Let's do. P is a prime number. So, its factors are P and 1 only. So, its roots we have to take alpha. So, first factor P we can take as alpha and beta. Beta is equal to 1. Second factor we can take it as beta. We already studied that sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. So what is alpha here? Alpha is equal to P and beta is equal to how much? Plus 1 we get. Isn't it? Then product of roots. Product of roots is equal to, product of roots is equal to alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to P into 1, which is equal to P. Then general form of quadratic equation is having equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So we can write, which implies x square minus, what is alpha plus beta over here? P plus 1 into x plus, what is alpha beta? It is p. So which is the required equation? Is it clear for you? Question number 3. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to px square minus 2x plus 3p and alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, then p is dash. Given what is given? Alpha and beta, zeros of the polynomial it is given. Then what is the zeros of the polynomial? Alpha and beta. Then what is the polynomial it is given? F of x is equal to px square minus 2x plus 3p. Then one more condition it is given, alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. Then we have to find the value of p. Okay, let's do the problem. Given roots of polynomial alpha and beta. Given polynomial f of x is equal to px square minus 2x plus 3p. So sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus of minus 2 by p. So which is equal to 2 by p. Product of roots is equal to c by a, which is equal to 3p by p, is equal to 3p by p is equal to 3. Product of roots is equal to c by a, 3, which is equal to 3. Then given one more condition it is given alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. What is alpha beta here? Which is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. This is same as alpha beta and this is same as alpha plus beta. So given alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, we have to find the value of p. So what is alpha plus beta here? 2 by p. So we have to substitute the value. 2 by p is equal to, what is alpha beta? Which is equal to 3. So 3p is equal to 3p, which is equal to 2. P is equal to 2 by 3. So the answer is B. Answer B, which is equal to 2 by 3. So the answer is 2 by 3. Option B, 2 by 3. Okay. Next one. If the system of equations 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 plus x plus k minus y is equal to 2k plus 1 is inconsistent, then we have to find the value of k. What are the given equations? One is 3x plus y is equal to 1. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Then What is the condition for inconsistent? For inconsistency, a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Let's do the problem. Equations are 3x plus y is equal to 1. Question number 1, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. This is equation number 2. We have to write this in standard form. So we get like this, 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2k minus 1, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Then next, the given equations, this equation is 3, equation number 4. Okay, given equations are inconsistent. Consistent. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1 not equal to minus 1 by minus 2k plus 1. So this minus will cut off. So we get like this. And just cross multiply this. 3 in bracket k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. So which implies, remove the bracket, 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1, which implies 2k, transpose this 2k to this side, so it becomes plus 3k plus, so transpose to this side, so it becomes minus 2k is equal to, transpose this to this side, so it becomes plus minus 1 plus 3. So k is equal to, simplify this, we get 2. K is equal to 2 we get. Is it clear for you? If the question number 5, if the vertices of a parallelogram P, Q, R, S taken in order are P 3, 4, Q minus 2, 3 and R minus 3, minus 2. Then the coordinates of its fourth vertex S are, we have to find it. Okay, let's do. We already know that solution. We already know that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So let's write the coordinates. P 3 4, Q minus 2 3, R minus 3 comma minus 2, XY. S coordinates is represented by XY. So mid of PR is O. So coordinates of O is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 we can write. So x1 is what here 3 plus x2 minus 3 by 2 and y1 is 4 plus y2 minus 2 by 2. So we get which is equal to 0 by 2, 2 by 2. After simplifying we get 2 by 2, which is equal to 0 by 2 means 0 only, 2 by 2 means 1. So coordinates of O is 0, 1. Okay. See, the next we have to find SQ. So what is XQ? X SQ S, sorry, not X, SQ. So it's X. So we have to find the midpoint of SQ. What is midpoint of SQ? Is midpoint of of SQ is, what is midpoint of SQ? O. So its coordinates we have to find it. Its coordinates is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, here x1 is x1 only and x2 is minus 2. x2 is minus 2 whole divided by 2 and y2 is y1 is y1 only and y2 is 3 by 2. So we get like this: x1 plus minus 2 by 2 comma y1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to, what is coordinates of O? We already find that it is 0, 1. So we have to equate this x1 plus minus 2 whole divided by 2 is equal to 0. So from this we get x1 plus minus 2. This is equal to this. Cross multiplying we get this, which is equal to 0. So x1 plus minus 2 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 2 we get, isn't it? Similar way we can find the y1 also. So y1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So y1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Just cross multiply. Then y1 is equal to 2 minus, transpose these 3 to this side, so it becomes minus. So minus 3, which is equal to minus 1 we get. Therefore we can write, therefore coordinates of S are 2 comma minus 1 respectively. So the fifth answer is option C. Question number 6. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR if AM and PM are altitudes of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. Then AB square is to PQ square is equal to 4 is to 9. Then AM is to PN is equal to dash. So we already know that ratio of the squares of sides is equal to ratio of the squares of altitude. Let's do the problem. Since ABC congruent to triangle PQR, this is already given. We already know that ratio of the squares of sides is equal to ratio of squares of altitude, which implies 4 by 9. Ratio of the squares of side is 4 by 9, it is given, is equal to ratio of squares of altitude. So here altitude square, so AM square by PM square is we get. So from this we have to find what is AM by PN. AM by PN is equal to square root of 4 by 9. Therefore AM by PN is equal to 3 by, so 2 by 3. Therefore AM by PN is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Option D, 2:3. Question number 7. If x tan 60 degree cos 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree cot 60 degree, then x equal to options it is given. Okay. So what is the answer? Let's do the problem. X tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Root 3 cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So we can write x into, this is root 3 into 2. Root 3 into 1 by 2. So we can write root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 3. So these root 3 and this root 3 will cut off. Then 1 by 2 is remaining. So these two and these two is cut off. Then x into, which implies x into root 3 is equal to 1. So x equals 1 by root 3. Okay. Tan 60 degree. So we already know that sin 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So these two and these two gets cancelled. So we get a root 3. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Is it clear? So here x equal to 1 by root 3. So x equal to tan 30 degree. We can write tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. We can write tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So the answer is option B, tan 30 degree. Question number 8. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2, then tan theta plus cot theta is equal to what? So let's do the problem. The options it is given. Given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. Squaring on both sides. So we get a sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 2 square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equal to root 2 square means 2 only. Which implies what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. So we get like this, 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equal to 2, which implies 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 minus 1, which implies 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. So sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then tan theta plus cot theta is equal to what? Tan theta plus cot theta. We can write tan theta, we can write sin theta by cos theta, we can write sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta, we can write cos theta by sin theta, we can write. Then cross multiply, we get a sin square theta plus cos square theta whole divided by sin cos theta sin theta, which is equal to 1 by cos theta sin theta, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to 2. So this is the answer. 2 is the answer. So we can write answer option B. Question number 9. In the given figure, DE parallel to BC, AE is equal to A units, EC is equal to B units, DE is equal to X unit and BC is equal to Y units. Which of the following is true? See, given the figure ABC and DE parallel to BC, and AE is equal to A units, EC is equal to, this is B units, DE is equal to, this is X units, and BC is equal to Y units. Which of the following is true? Let's do the problem. Given figure, triangle ABC, AE is equal to A units, EC is equal to B units, DE is equal to X units, and BC is equal to 5 units. Y units, not 5, Y units. Okay. Given in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, it is given. We already know that, therefore, AE by AC is equal to DE by BC. So AE by AC, how can we write AC? AC, how can we write? AE plus EC. AE plus EC, which is equal to DE by BC. Now let's write the units. Okay. What is AE? It is given AE is equal to A units. A by AE. AC will get AE plus EC. AE is equal to A plus, what is B? EC is equal to how much? B units. So A by A plus B is equal to DE. D is equal to, look at the figure, D is equal to X units. and BC is equal to y units. So we can write y. So x, we have to find the value of x. Okay. So just cross multiply. Just cross multiply. We have to find the value of a, which implies ay is equal to x into a plus b. So x equals, we want to find x equal to ay whole divided by a plus b, isn't it? So given that ai by ac is equal to de by bc, but ae by ac can be written as ae plus ec, ae plus ec, which is equal to d by bc, d by bc. So A is equal to A units and EC is equal to B units. So then which is equal to D is equal to X units and BC is equal to Y units. Then we have to find the value of X. Just cross multiply, we get AY is equal to X into A plus B. X equal to AY whole divided by A plus B. So answer is option C. So the option is x equal to ay by a plus b. Question number 10. ABCD is a trapezium with AD parallel to BC and AD is equal to 4 cm. If the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O, such that AO by OC is equal to DO by OB is equal to half, then BC is equal to dash. We have to select the options. So what is given? ABCD trapezium is given. AD and BC are its parallel sides. AD is equal to 4 cm given. Then one more thing, it is given AC and BD intersects each other at O. It is also given. Then such that AO by OC, diagonals AO by OC is equal to DO by OB, which is equal to half. The ratios is equal to half. Then we have to show that BC is equal to how much. Okay, is it clear? The question clear for you? Question number 10 solution. Since AO by OC is equal to DO by OB, which is equal to half given, diagonals bisect each other, that is why. And angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angle. Then triangle A, triangle BO, this triangle BDC, triangle BDC is similar to triangle AOD, similar to triangle AOD. What is the reason? Using S similarities. Therefore, AD by BC, AD, this parallel sides, AD by BC is equal to half, which implies, what is AD here? AD is equal to 4. AD is equal to 4 by BC, which is equal to 1 by 2. But AD is equal to 4 unit, 4 centimeter. So therefore BC is equal to 8 centimeter. So what is the option? It's option. Answer is C. Answer is C. C. Take that. Let's take the answer. See, this is the answer. This is the answer. So let's mark it. Option C is the answer.